Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to create a multiplication table in Excel. So I will start by entering the number series 1, 2, 3. Now I won't enter the numbers manually, instead I will use the autofill feature of Excel. I have already created a video on the autofill feature of Excel. I will link that video in the description box. Again, I will enter the series. Now to multiply, we will have to multiply cell A2 into cell B1. Okay, that gives us the correct answer 1. Now if I drag this formula in the rest of the cells, it won't give the correct answer. Let's see. Okay, it says 3 into 1 is 6, which is definitely not right. Now what is the reason? The reason is it got 6 by multiplying cell C2 with cell D1. That is basically it is multiplying this and this, which is not right. We have to multiply 3 and 1. The reason is that we have not logged a column and the first row. We have to log this column and this row. Currently what is happening is it is using reference concept of Excel. We have to use the absolute concept of Excel. So what we will do is, we said we have to log a column. So log a by using the dollar sign. Okay, good. Now I said I have to also log this one because the I have to multiply all these values, that is all the values of row 1 with all the values of column A. So I have to log all these values. I already logged A. Now I'm logging row 1. So again I will use dollar sign, enter. Now my formula is $A2 into B$1. Wherever there is a dollar sign means that cell is locked. Now I drag my formula. Okay, it is right. Let's drag it to the rest of the cells. Now to drag it down, I select these cells, pull it down. Okay, now it looks good. Let's check. Let's check 9 into 6 is 54. That's right. We can also check it by calculator. 9 into 6 is 54. That's right. That is right. It is referring this cell and this cell. So now you see my A is logged. It is not getting changed. And my 1 is also logged. Rest of the values change. Like 1 became 10, this become G. So these are changing, but wherever I had used a dollar sign, that won't change, due to which I'm getting the correct answer. So this is how we can create a multiplication table in Excel. This is a very useful concept for people who use multiplication and maths concept in their daily lives, and also for children in schools. I hope this video helps you. Let me know if you want to see any other concept of Excel. I will come up with the formulas. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.